which is bed number 56. This is the power of a good mulch. So I don't have a lot of weeds in here. I just have a few. Chamomile is a good clumping one anyways, and it's good at keeping the weeds at bay, especially when it's smaller. Now that it's getting tall and lanky, it's a little different. I've already had a good cup of chamomile tea. So for chamomile tea, you just come along and you harvest the flowers. Flowers are starting to get further along right now. If you've ever had fresh chamomile tea, it is got a sweet apple scent to it, taste to it. So, but you can see, looking at this bed, there's not a lot of weeds in here. There's the mulch has really done a great job of keeping the weeds down. I mean, you might see one or two. I see some ants climbing around, which probably means I have a couple aphids, but I'm gonna let the aphids stay, because if I don't have aphids, I have nothing to feed my, well, not nothing, but I have less to feed my ladybirds, whatever they're called. I got a couple names, I guess. So I do not worry when I've got a few aphids. Now, if I get an aphid infestation, will I do something? Yes. Usually I just use a little bit, usually a whole thing of water with just a drop or two of soap. And for some reason that just, I don't know the technical reasons behind it. But what it does is it kills them. And all I really want to do is cut them back. Okay,